So to use the line tool above to draw these parallel and perpendicular line segments, you go up here to look at this guy. See, it looks like it's actually a line segment, but it says line. You just click that, come down here, and you'll have the little plus symbol, and you click and drag, and you will draw a line. Okay. Now you want to make another line, so I'm going to click here again, come down here, I've got another one, I drew a line. That does not look like it's quite parallel, so I'm going to adjust it a little bit till I've got parallel lines. I'll do the same thing down below with perpendicular. Remember, I just keep clicking and dragging lines, and if it's not quite right, I can grab the middle and move it. The little red lines help you out. I can also grab the points and move them until it seems like it's what I want. So that is how you use that line tool above to draw the lines that you're supposed to make down here.